Maintaining a legacy. Visual FoxPro application and inherited a VFPATCH file from a previous developer. These contain database update instructions for FoxPro systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to apply these Visual FoxPro patch files. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party VFPATCH file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. VFPATCH files are patch files used in Visual FoxPro database environments to apply incremental updates to existing databases, tables, or application code. They contain change instructions for schema modifications, data updates, or program revisions, enabling controlled deployment of changes to production FoxPro systems. VFPATCH files store sequenced update commands in a Visual FoxPro-compatible format, including SQL DDL statements, data modification commands, and program code changes. The structure supports rollback and version tracking, allowing administrators to apply patches safely and verify changes before committing to production environments. The fundamental reading standard for VFPATCH is set by Visual FoxPro from Microsoft. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows may show the file type, but the actual data must be opened in the supporting software. We are performing a vital check of your system's software. Right-click your VFPATCH file and choose Open With. Test with Visual FoxPro first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple compatibility swap. If the VFPATCH file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Because the VFPATCH format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklist. First, applying in Visual FoxPro. Open Visual FoxPro 9 and execute the VFPATCH file using the do command or by running it through a custom patch utility. Review the patch contents in the FoxPro editor before execution to understand schema and data changes. Always back up the target database before applying any patches. Next, inspecting patch contents. Open the VFPATCH file in a text editor like Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code to review the patch logic. The file typically contains FoxPro commands such as alter table, insert into, and program updates. Verify each change is appropriate for your target database before running the patch. Finally, backup and test environment. Apply VFPATCH files first in a test environment with a copy of the production database. Validate that the patch executes without errors and produces the expected results. Once verified, create a full backup of the production database before applying the same patch to live systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open-source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.